How to print from your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Open any note from here. If you want to print this note, then go to the top right corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. From the pop-up menu, tap on More. Scroll down and tap on Print. You can view and manage the printing settings from here. Tap on Printer at the top. And then, select the printer that you want from the options. After that, go back and adjust the other settings like copies, orientation, range, paper size and more. Once you're done, tap on the print icon at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily print from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.